Bless family. I'm back again with another hot topic, guys. I think a lot of guys, people in North Africa, they might not gonna like this again. Alright, that's just education, guys. No hard feeling, guys, and no hatred to anyone. You know what I mean? Even though I get so many hate comments or whatever, but what I'm saying, that's educational, and I gotta tell these people the truth, and the truth is the best way to take you out of the darkness. Now, I got to talk about this history lesson, guys, and you need to understand that. Yeah, the White House in America is not what you think about it, guys. The first White House established is not in America. Let me repeat that again. The first White House established is not in America. It wasn't in America. It was in Morocco. Yes, it's in Morocco, guys. Yeah, so the Moroccan guys or the Maghrabi guys, Al-Magharba, they might gonna say to me, oh, yo, guys, oh, you know what, Zonji, I think what you've been saying right now, I think, oh, this guy, oh, this guy belonged to other people. I think, listen, guys, it's history, and I would like, no hatred. It's all about peace. You know what I mean? So now, the first White House was established in America, it's not in America, in Morocco, which is in Morocco, Casablanca, yeah? Casablanca was the first White House. Let me break it down how was the first White House. The first White House, Casablanca, was established back in the 1770s, 1775, all the way to 1710, 17. And then the White House in America, in Washington, D.C., which was established or built in the 1790, around the 1790, and it's completed officially in the 1800, when the first president of America, Adam, and his wife, Abigail, lived in it. They're the first people that know when to get into the White House in America. But the White House, Casablanca, is the first White House, was first built, yeah, in Morocco, right? So now you're going to say to me, no, how do I know that? Because how do I know that? Because the White House, Dar-al Baida, or Casablanca in Morocco, was established by, first before that was known as the city of Anfa, right? Or Anfa, right? The city of Anfa was no Anfa is a Berber name. Yes, you know that. Black Berber, white Berber, mixed Berber, all together, or Berber. Yes, if you don't like it, you don't like it, guys. There's black Berber, white Berber, and mixed Berber, all together. Do you know what I mean? Or the Berber, right? The Berber language, the Anfa. And then after that, they establish after Anfa, then they establish Casablanca. The Spanish and the Portuguese controlled that for years and years and years and years, and then also the French, which is they're still on control today with the American, and here as well. So many guys are going to say to me, all right, so we know that back in 1943, before the Second World War was started, 1943, the Allies met in Morocco. They met in Casablanca, the White House. They met there to the meeting agenda was to discuss how's it the Second World War is going to be, and where they're gonna carry on their plan. So the agenda, and they came up by the end of the meeting. The agenda was unconditional surrender. Unconditional surrender. That's what they came up with in the meeting. And Winston Churchill was present. Right? If you don't know Winston Churchill, guys, you need to go there. Of course, everyone knows Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of England. Yes, was at the time of 1944, and at that time as well. So, do you know what I mean? Winston Churchill is my favourite, by the way, guys. Do you know what I mean? He's also a Sudanese man. You understand that. So if you don't know Winston Churchill, because he spent most of his life in Sudan. Yes, most of his life, Winston Churchill spent it in Sudan. Right? If you don't know that, I'll correct you guys. So you should understand, yeah. So Winston Churchill, Casablanca, Casa means house, Blanca means white. If you're Spanish, Portuguese, or French, or speak Latin as well. Many of these guys were speaking Latin America, like Brazil and other places. They know casa, it means house. My casa, my Casablanca, Casablanca, right? Casablanca. If you understand that, they already know that translated the White House. That's why I'm telling you your history right now, guys. So for you, you need to learn, guys, regardless of your color, creed, sexual orientation, or religious denomination. So you need to study your history, learn your history, your story. Again, that's what I said, not history, your story, right? So because if you want to mentally enslave people, right, all people of the planet, yeah, you need to take away their language, yeah, change their language, culture, food, the way they think, the way they behave, the way they act, the way they dance, the way they carry themselves professionally or unprofessionally, right? The way they go about. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I, as what you see it again as well, must have melanated people, the way they think, again, they don't think properly. I'm not saying not all of them guys, but some of the guys don't think properly. But the reason is because we all carry ourselves as, do you know what I mean? And we make music is the only way for us to succeed. That they made us to believe. People made you believe. I know a lot of people around me, and I've seen a lot of people around me. The only way they think about and believe is music, is the way to solve the answer for every one of us. Why they made you think that way? Because we are being mentally enslaved, and they took away everything. They took away everything that you have. Do you know what I mean? The education that you have as well is not education that's been taught by you or from your own perspective. So basically, from somebody else's perspective, wants to put that education, so in order to carry on their plan and make it, feasible to them, not to you. And that's the reason why basically we are being ingrained into the system, which is of mental enslavement, and we don't understand ourselves. So you have to understand that, guys. Casablanca, the White House, which is known as Dar-al Baida, or Dar-al Baida, or Baida. It depends. What you're from in the Arabic world. If you speak Arabic as well, it depends where you're from. It depends the way, the accent as well. So Casablanca is Portuguese, Spanish language. Casablanca, Blanca means white. Casa means house. You know that, a casa. I know many of my friends, they speak about this. So now you know that the White House was first built and established in Morocco, and then later on, 20 years later, then the White House in America, 25 years later, and in America then was built, and so forth. So now you know that, guys. So people in America need to understand that. You know what I mean? So you need to come back to Morocco, guys. You need to come back to Casablanca. That's why I see Casablanca is the best place for you, American. Do you know what I mean? American people, they know that. And also you got to understand, Casablanca is massive port, yeah? This port in Casablanca, or the port of Casablanca, is massive. You don't know that, it's massive. All the businesses, the money, things that get conducted from the port of Casablanca. The port of Casablanca, because it's the gate, is the entrance, you understand, is the entrance for all trades from Africa. Yeah, the trades come from all sort of ways. So that is a gate. That's why Casablanca is very important place, or the city of Anfa, or Amph, right? Why is it very important? That's what I said to you again, because it's the gate, yeah, to all trades from Africa to enter Europe. Everything, like from natural gas, copper, zinc, gold, silver, everything that to enter through the port of Casablanca, it comes here to Europe, and then it goes to America as well. That's why Casablanca is the first White House, guys, which is even translating the city as well, named Casablanca, which means the White House, or it means Dar-al Baida. Alright, guys, bless family. I hope you learned something new today. You need to learn. Alright, bless family. Stay blessed, family. Bye.